Welcome to a bigger, brighter world of wonder, where your every wish is in hand. A mouth-watering feast for the senses, where magical memories are made. Odeon, we make movies better. Eyes open and get ready to gaze.
A trip to your local cinema is the ultimate bonding experience.
It's okay, I won't hurt you.
From discovering epic new worlds to meeting mind-blowing creatures.
And sharing breathtaking moments, nothing brings us together like the big screen.
You ready? This summer, one thrilling adventure is soaring into the big screen at your local cinema. Here it comes!
Alexa, play Heart. Put the kettle on, we're with you all morning.
You alright with that? It's Heart Breakfast with Jamie Theakston and Amanda Holden. Turn up the feel good.
Start your day with Heart.
Change. At Just Dig It, we know this can start with just a dig, creating earth smiles that collect rainwater, allowing seeds to sprout, changing dry land into green, cooling down our planet. It's a change you can see at a scale that matters. Let's change climate change together. Donate now at justdigit.org.
You may not know the name, but you will know the music. Classic FM.
Let's see what the future holds. Here come the trailers.
He's your guy?
We're the best at moving things and people in and out of places they shouldn't be.
We put ourselves in a place we don't belong. Survival is a long shot.
What the hell are those?
Welcome to the Baxter Building.
We make a point to do family dinner every week. Sunday at 7 on the dot, no matter what. We're all here.
Herbie, how's that sauce coming?
Yeah, I'll be the judge of that.
Okay. Okay, is this guy good or what? I want to add a couple cloves of garlic. Not because it's not delicious, I just want to add a little bit of zip, okay?
-5. Before we went up the first time, you couldn't turn invisible. Ben wasn't a rock. The best pilot in the world right here.
Yeah. Best looking, he means.
And Johnny never caught fire.
Ben has always been a rock. Johnny is Johnny.
Hi!
And I am right here. Whatever life throws at us, we'll face it together. As a family.
Some people look at Sonny Hayes. They see a guy who lives in a van, a gambling junkie who missed his shot, the best that never was. But I see possibility. My rook is a phenomenal talent. You plus him. I got a team.
When's the last time you won a race?
Sunday, Daytona.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant Formula One.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then same as you.
They're saying Sonny Hayes isn't a has-been. He's a never was.
That's the last thing I do is drive that car. I will take that life, man. 1,000 times.
I'm offering you an open seat in Formula One. The only place you could say, if you win, you are the absolute best in the world.
Give the gift of cinema. It's just you and the big screen. Nothing else matters. It's your pulse that's racing. Your fingers tightening. Your heart soaring. Your taste buds igniting. Your favorite movies as often as you like. With your mates, or even better, on your own. As this, see as many movies as you like. Sign up online. It's time for the magic to start. And there's only one screen you need to be watching. So sit back and relax, because here we go.